Good day, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I've been crying. I can't stop crying. I didn't make a video that Dube has been evicted from the Big Brother MZANSI season 6 BAZOZWA. And immediately after the live evictions, Big Brother was like, all the housemates must get him into the lounge. He needs to address the situationship that happened yesterday. Now, Didi got a double strike for being provocative and also being physical. Hugh got one strike for being provocative, and Neliswa got disqualified. Yes, Neliswa has left the Big Brother MZANSI house. It is sad, but I still believe that whatever that she was fighting for, she was fighting for women. She was fighting for a fellow sister, and not only for her sister, for every little girl, old girl, grandmothers, everyone, every woman in the country, in South Africa. It's very sad. It's easy for people to put purple stickers on their statuses, but Neliswa stood for business and she was like, not on my watch. You can't say that to a woman in my presence and not on my watch. In South Africa, guys, EGB, what you call that thing, the soccer thing, the VAR that they used to, yeah, that thing, the GPA, yes, that one. It's a serious thing in South Africa and cannot be taken lightly. So, to my sisters, my brothers, everyone watching the country, let's stand by Neliswa. Let's support her. She did not deserve to be out of the Big Brother MZANSI so soon, but let's back her up. Let's support her. Let's be with her, donating, sponsorships. Let's get her. She's a girl's girl, and it was unfortunate that now she got disqualified. At the end of the day, it is a game. I'm not saying that whatever that she did, also the way she retaliated, it was okay. It was not, hence she was disqualified. But let's stand up and support her and be together and hype her. Wherever she is, she's not fine. Everybody has been crying. Liema was crying. We know that Liema is a big friend when it comes to Neliswa. Don, Don is sad. He has been crying. The whole house, actually, they are shocked. Actually, now it is quite like it's boring. And Tandega is celebrating, guys, that Neliswa left. And also, I know that Tandega had a problem and she was seeing Neliswa as a threat. I don't know. But now, for her to even say that Q was not wrong in what he said, for me, it says a lot about Utandega as a woman and also as a human being. But anyway, there's people who like Utandega. They believe she's okay. And it says a lot in terms of y'all's character. But anyway, tell me what you think, guys. This is my honest review when it comes to whatever that happened here. And I feel bad. And yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section. Can't wait. See you on to my next upload.